Can a bad starter relay cause my car to make clicking sounds?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle an intriguing topic that a lot of car owners encounter: clicking sounds from your vehicle. More specifically, we're going to discuss whether a bad starter relay can be the cause of this sound. It's a more common problem than you might think, and understanding the reasons behind it could potentially save you some hassle in the future.
What is a starter relay?
Before we dive into the specifics of the problem, let's first understand what a starter relay is. The starter relay, also known as a starter solenoid, is a key component of your car's ignition system. It's a switch that carries a large current to the starter motor when you turn the key or push the ignition button, thereby setting your vehicle's engine in motion.
Can a bad starter relay cause clicking sounds?
Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. You turn the key in the ignition, and instead of your car roaring to life, all you hear are clicking sounds. Could this be due to a bad starter relay? The answer is a resounding yes. When the starter relay is faulty, it might fail to provide the necessary power to the starter motor. In such a case, the energy it does manage to send might be insufficient, leading to an inability to turn the engine over. This is what creates the characteristic clicking noise.
What are the other symptoms of a bad starter relay?
Apart from the clicking sound, a bad starter relay may manifest in other ways. Your car may fail to start altogether, or it may start intermittently, causing unpredictability. You might also observe excessive heat or smoke emanating from the starter relay due to excessive resistance. Finally, you may find the battery drains faster than usual, as the faulty relay draws power even when the engine is off. So there you have it. If your car is making clicking sounds when you try to start it, the culprit could very well be a faulty starter relay. However, it's always a good idea to consult a professional mechanic to pinpoint the exact issue. Remember, a small problem today could turn into a big problem tomorrow if left unchecked. We hope this discussion has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!